Okay, we're gonna attempt an exchange. Stella's getting off the boat onto the sup.
Wait.
You're not gonna let her go? Go ahead. Go ahead. Here she goes. All right, now sit. 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 It's a little choppy. I mean, it's nice and glassy, but the boat wakes.
I might kneel down for that boat.
Maybe they'll slow down. Looks like he's slowing down. Okay. Have fun. He's a nice guy. He slowed down. He's not going to wake her. But it might take him forever to get past her. So she's paddling up current. We said thank you. Bye-bye.